Yesterday I was very busy cleaning up and filling up this organizer that I'm always using when I'm making accessories. It's very handy because all the small things that I need for making earrings, bracelet, and necklaces is just in front of me. But sometimes when you're busy, it becomes like a war zone. Everything is mixed up, and so yesterday I find time to arrange it and clean it up. And this one are the latest bracelet that I made for a day. And yesterday I featured it in one of my reels that I already posted. And this one is the latest one that I made. This one, normally it is a necklace made of green and blue without those golden beads between them. But I find it much more better when you pay more attention to details, and then also to spend more time in making them. And the thing is that it's nicer now. So I even made a bracelet to go with it and a pair of earring to go with it. So I'm planning to also to reconstruct these three necklaces that I made few months ago. So just like with the green one, I'm going to reconstruct it also, and I think I can make also a pair of earring and bracelet to match it, and I'll just show you when it's finished.